Damn. Don't shit change up fast? Niggas was just getting the PlayStation 5, nigga. Now niggas is gonna be getting this handheld shit. This gonna fuck up the streets. Niggas gonna be knocking niggas' head out for this. Watch. Niggas gonna be really knocking out heads for this. I can't believe this shit. This shit, wow. Hopefully they don't have no fucking AI on this. Because I don't want to see them fucking the artificial intelligence. I don't want to see them niggas. We have enough of them niggas already. Let this shit don't come with it. Or let us, you have to buy that package. Nobody want to hear that, see that shit. We just want the handheld shit. Just like them cordless headphones, which should have been out. We need this handheld shit. Everybody gonna have it. Everybody gonna be on the two